He's like, stop looking at me, Wally. Alright, so Keith's Outback is here. Keith is already working on Corolla. Pulled out the booster. We're deleting the brake booster.
Yeah, we don't like them.
We don't like them. Yeah, we don't like them. I'm working on seats for Jimmy's car. It's proving to be a little difficult, but we're getting there. Yeah, I had to pull out seat belts like here, the full seat belt set down there. So those are all out, and I'm just about to put this seat back in here, and this is for the driver's side, and then we'll see if we've got harness bar heights correct. I think the seat is probably a little low, so we're probably going to have to raise it up. But I think with raising it up, I think we'll be right where we need to be, want to be with the harness bars. So see how that goes. What's up, everybody? It's Saturday morning. We left early last night because we wanted to get dinner, kind of get Keith settled in at the house, because he's going to be with us for like 5 days or so. And then we got that seat in the car. I'm now working on this seat to go into Jimmy's Bugeye here. And then, Jeff showed up. He's working, helping Keith on the Corolla. And we're getting this thing ready for Monday morning. We're going to be at NJMP with the car. So I'll do some stuff from there. And then, hoping to get Jimmy's seats in today and start tidying up the interior bits a little bit. And then we'll hopefully, I think that car's going to leave this week coming. So that'll be good. It'll give us a little bit of space because it's needed. We've got way too many cars in here at the moment. Obviously, Fiesta. We should be getting the proper cage kit for this week because the cage kit tubing was the wrong diameter, wall thickness was wrong. That'll go out this week coming. Kazi, we're just waiting to find out what they're doing with that. And then the Z is back from paint there, which I'll get back on soon. Mini, of course. Corolla's out there, and then we've got an Outback. Keith's Outback is out front that needs a motor too. So it's gonna be a lot going on next couple of weeks. So trying to just get some stuff done and shake down the Corolla Monday and JMP. Cool, be a mow day, so that'll be fun. Haven't driven this thing in a while. So I got 2 minutes or less to basically tell you what's going on. So basically took a trailer in today and brought this in today. Took it for a test drive. Seems like it's pretty okay. And we've got the Corolla stuff going on here. We basically are putting an oil filter on this thing now. We're going to put some oil in it. We had to seal up some stuff underneath. We're working on the alignment. We made some plates here, mounting the fenders. Did the bar here, which we just painted, so that we can put the bumper on. We have a more solid hit on this thing. And I don't know, just like a lot of other random little bits on this thing. So it's ready for tomorrow's track day. But yeah, like we still have stuff to do. So that's pretty much what's going on. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. It's pouring outside. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.